Hey everybody, I'm
Yeah.
Eman,
And I'm Christine.
and today we're gonna make easy overnight oats. Okay?
Yeah!
Okay guys, here are the ingredients. Okay, 2/3 cup of rolled oats, 3/4 cup of fresh milk, a pinch of cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of peanut butter, 2 teaspoons of California raisins, and a banana. Also we have here is a glass jar. Okay, it's gonna be very easy to prepare, guys. All we need to do is put all the ingredients in a glass jar, right? Okay, so we're gonna put on the rolled oats.
Scoop.
Yo.
And I scoop, 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 scoop.
And then we're gonna put on the milk.
I'm
Yeah.
ready to choose.
We will. Right. A pinch of cinnamon powder, but don't add too much cinnamon because it's gonna taste bitter. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
If you wanted too many, it's gonna taste bitter.
your turn.
Will you kiss this one?
That's perhaps enough. Alright. Then we're gonna put on a teaspoon of peanut butter.
Peanut butter sandwich. Baby.
Alright.
Peanut.
Alright.
How about me?
I'll put on yours.
But I want to do it. Mommy, I want to be the one who's gonna do it.
Hey yo, here's your spoon first.
Guys, I did scoop the scoop.
Next we're gonna put 2 teaspoons of California raisins. But don't add too much California raisins because it's gonna taste too sweet, right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
So I picked this one. Don't pick too many. Yeah. That's so many.
1, 2. Alright, we're gonna mix it a little. Now we put the cap on. Okay, now we can put it inside the fridge and we're gonna let it stay there for overnight. And then tomorrow morning, we're gonna show you how it looks like. And then we're gonna eat it for breakfast.
Yes! It's gonna be so delicious.
Hi everybody.
Hello. It's breakfast time. Yippee!
Alright. Okay, now let's top the banana slices. You can use any kind of favorite fruits that you like strawberries, ripe mangoes. You can use coconut milk or soy milk instead of cow's milk for a healthier version.
I'm gonna eat the bananas first.
Yes, it's safe to eat raw rolled oats only when it is fully soaked in milk overnight. You can use instant oats, but we prefer rolled oats for this recipe. Alright.
It tastes so delicious.
It's a power breakfast rich in protein and vitamins and minerals. Also fiber that is good for your gut.
My tummy's full.
Did you enjoy?
Yes!
Alright then. See you guys next time.
Yes!
Bye.
Bye!